Hey guys, it's Adam Atkins here. This is the Gozney placement peel. It is aluminium, it has a hard anodized finish, tapered edge and perforations. It's perfect for you to scoop up your pizza, lose excess flour, and we're going to show you how to use it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you a few methods of transferring a pizza on and off a peel. First one, you just do the scoop method, where you just get a little edge up like this, and you're just going to get the peel underneath and scoop it up. Simple. Then you're going to rejig it whilst it's on the peel. Take that off again. Once more. Pick it up, scoop it up. Rejig while it's on the peel. Okay, so the second method, this is the sort of slide onto the peel method. So you want to get the peel on a flat surface. This is where the nice tapered edge comes into play and the perforations. You can either have it so it's slightly raised or just flat. So you're going to get your fingers underneath and they're going to form like a crab's legs, and you're just going to slide it onto the peel like that. So you're just picking it up slightly and sliding it on. You're giving it a secondary stretch as well as you're doing it, and then you're going to give the stretch this way, and that's it. You've got a nice round pizza on a peel ready to go in the oven. Okay, so you've got your pizza base on the peel, you've given it a secondary stretch, it's gone to the limits of the peel. You're going to want to go and put it in the oven. We're just going to pretend this is the oven here, this is the back end of the oven. You're going to get your peel inside there, keep it nice and flat, don't go in at too much of an angle, and just get it towards the back, lay it down, just give it a little shimmy until the back edge of the pizza is just caught on it, and then it will kind of stick to it. And then you can just give it a little shimmy, 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 and it's in. We're going to scoop this one up, we're going to lift it up and get underneath it. Give it a little stretch on the peel and it's ready to go in the oven. Just going to give it a little jig, make sure it's slidey. It is. Stretch out again. Then you go to the back of the oven, just catch that back edge and then just shimmy it out. Pizza's now cooking. You can see the rear edge is starting to puff up a little bit. Oven is on about 430 degrees. Going to just use our placement peel. We're going to get inside there, so just scoop it up, slide it out, all the way back in exactly the same spot. So the reason I give it a full 180 turn is so that it cooks it evenly all the way around. And now we're just giving it quarter turns just to make sure we get an even bake all the way around on the pizza. Always just check the base all the time, make sure it's not burning. One more turn. Pizza's done. There we go. Okay, so that's how you use a Gozney placement peel.